You ever have that moment where you walk into a room and you just sigh? Yeah, that's me with this bathroom. I've been avoiding it for about 3 weeks now, and it's not because I didn't see it, not because I didn't know better, but because life has been lifing in ways I didn't schedule or approve of. Between work, trying to take care of myself, being present for people I love, and trying to breathe, this bathroom was the last thing on my mind. And honestly, sometimes you hit a point where you don't feel like doing anything you're supposed to do. Not the laundry, not the dishes, and definitely not scrubbing no damn tub. Sometimes your brain just says, girl, please sit down. And I've been trying to lean into this idea of living a softer life. Rest more, stress less, don't rush, don't force. But baby, sometimes the soft life turns into, I'll get to it tomorrow. And then suddenly tomorrow turns into 3 weeks later. And your bathroom is out here telling your business. But that's okay, because one thing about life, it's not always aesthetic, it's not always tidy or organized or cute. And sometimes it's messy, sometimes you're messy. And sometimes the softest thing you can do for yourself is say, all right, let me get up and take care of this one thing today. So here I am, cleaning like I've been sponsored by Pine Sol, scrubbing like the queen of procrastination has finally decided to clock in. And you know what? It actually feels good. There's something therapeutic about reclaiming your space that got away from you. Something empowering about choosing to show up for yourself, even in the little things. And maybe this is my reminder, maybe yours too, that soft life doesn't mean avoiding responsibility. It actually means giving yourself grace when you avoid them, but also giving yourself structure when you're ready to tackle them again. It's balance, not perfection. So cheers to getting things done, even if it's late. Cheers to progress, not pressure. Cheers to Vlogmas, where at least the camera makes me act like I have my life together.